In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a background to text in Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can create one for free. Once you are on the Canva homepage, click Create a Design in the top right corner. Next, choose Custom Size and enter 100 for the width and 50 for the height to create a simple canvas. After the blank canvas opens, go to the left side menu and click Text. Select Add a heading and type the text you want to use in your design. You can adjust the font, size, and color using the options in the top toolbar. Next, go to the Elements section on the left side and search for rectangle or choose a shape from the Shapes section. Click the shape to add it to your canvas and resize it so it is slightly larger than your text. Change the color of the shape to create the background effect you want. If the shape covers the text, select the shape and click Position in the top toolbar. Then choose Send to Back so the text appears on top. Move and adjust the text so it sits neatly on the colored shape. Take a moment to review your design and adjust the spacing if needed. Finally, click Share and then Download to save your project.